In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this type of Carousel ad using AI tools. Let's get started. First, I will start by generating high-quality model images using Leonardo AI. Simply go to Leonardo AI, write prompt for your product model. Choose aspect ratio 1:1 and resolution to medium, then click generate. Once your image is ready, then download it and let's move to the next step. Now, let's swap the product in the model's hand using Pixeler AI. Click on this first tool. Upload your product PNG. On right side, click custom. Upload your Leonardo AI generated image. Select the object to replace. Click confirm. Then click generate. It will take some time. After the image is done, click on it. And click on download. Create a new document, set dimensions to this. For Instagram, create a guide layout according to your images. Import your images, then arrange your images side by side. Add logos and text if required. I am adding some gradient on bottom to highlight brand logo. Then export the final image. And that's it. In just a few steps, we've created a stunning AI-powered carousel ad. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and graphic design content. Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.